we have multiplication of decimal numbers. How we do this? We have to forget about decimal points and first multiply these two numbers like whole numbers. So we can write that we have, and because we have only 3 digits in the second factor and in the first we have 4 digits, so I will write on the top the greater number is 8, 5, 4, 3, and smaller number is 4, 3, 5. We have to multiply these two decimal numbers. So like I said, first we multiply these two decimal numbers like whole numbers. So we have to write them in vertical columns, and we start to do multiplication. We start from the last digit, from the right, we have to go to the left, and we multiply every digit in the first row by first 5. Next, we have to multiply every digit in the first row by 3, and at the end, every digit in the first row by 4. We start from the last column. So we have 5 times 3 is 15. We have to write 5 and 1 we add to next column. 5 times 4 is 20. So plus 1 will be 21. So we have 1 and 2 we add to next column. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27. So we have 7 and 2 we add to next column. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 2 is 42. And next we have to multiply 3 by every digit in the first column, and because 3 is in the second row, so this is 10th column, so we have to remember that this is like 30 times 3. 30 times 3 is 90, so we have to write 90. And next we write solution to the left side. 3 times 4 is 12, so we have to write 2 and 1 we add to next column. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16, so we have to write 6 and 1 we add to next column. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25, so we have 25. And now we have to multiply every number on the top by 4. And remember, because 4 is in the third column, so we have here hundreds. So 4 times 100 times 3 is 1200. So we have to write 200 and 1 will go to next column. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17, so we will write 7 and 1 we add to next column. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21, so we have 1 and 1 we add to next column. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 2 is 34, so we have 4 and 3. And now we have to do addition, so we have to underline and add now. 5 plus 0 is 5. We start from the last column and we are going to the left. 1 plus 9 plus 0 is 10. So we have 0 and 1 we have to add to next column. So we have 1 plus 7 plus 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So we have 2 and 1 we have to add to next column. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 7 is 16, so we have 6 and 1 we add to next column. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11, so we have 1 and 1 we add to next column. 1 plus 2 plus 4, so this is 7 and 3 we have. And next, because we have here decimal numbers, so we have to count decimal places now. In the first number we have 2 decimal places, 2 digits after decimal point, so 2 decimal places. In the second we have 2 digits after decimal point, so we have 2 decimal places. 2 plus 2 give me 4, so I need to count 4 decimal places. We start from the last digit and we are going to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places. So our decimal point will be between 1 and 6. So our solution is 371 decimal point 6205. We have 4 digits after decimal point because we need 4 decimal places. This is my solution.